Once the light is fully charged, it turns green, and when it's still charging, it stays red. Those are the indicators for a fully charged light and a light that's still charging. Here I have rechargeable LED wall lights. So it comes in a set of 2. I took off the plastic off this one. This is what it looks like fully assembled. These are the lights, they're rechargeable. You turn on, it has multiple different colors that you could set. And it comes with the remote control. So there's all the colors you could do. And the brightness, you want it to flash, has a bunch of different features for the lights. The instructions are in here also, very easy to follow. And that's how I put this one together. All the pieces are right here. It comes with 2 rechargeable cords, and it's USB to Type-C. All these little screws, these is to mount it. This is to put it on the wall. And it comes with a little wrench to tighten up that nut inside. The only thing you will need is a Phillips screwdriver. So first you put these in the wall, these 2 on the side with these screws, but make sure you have this screw in there. So this screw, and then you put the nut inside so it stays. So say I need to put that on that side, and once you have the bracket mounted, and you screw it in with these 2 right here. And the light bulb, easy to assemble. You slide this in right there. The light bulb goes on top. It's magnetic to this. So this is a really nice, elegant looking light, which has multiple features. You could change colors. Right now I have it on the flash feature. If I press smooth, which is right here, it transitions nice and smoothly to a different color instead of just jumping into it. It has a timer, which is right there, 30 minutes, 120 minutes. You could adjust the brightness, make it brighter, make it more dim, whatever your liking is, or just put it on one solid color. So really nice light. Has the cool white, the warm white. So just an elegant looking light, which is easy to mount.